How to change your own diff fluid on your Jeep JL? Watch this video. You'll save some money too. Here's what you're going to need. Drain pan, something to wipe with. You're going to need gear oil, ratchet, and some chemical resistant Teflon tape. I'm using Royal Purple Max Gear 75W90. You could also use what's recommended in your manual. The point of this video is to show you how to change it. You can decide which oil you want to run. We're going to start in the front. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the fill plug because we want to make sure we'll be able to fill it after we drain it. Once we got the fill plug out, now we're going to remove the drain plug. We're going to look at the drain plug, which has a magnet in it, and we're going to try to feel for anything large. Now this magnetic goop is actually pretty normal. This is your typical wear that collects on the bottom. What we're feeling for is large chunks that could have come off of gear. Looks like we're all good. This is all just goopy mess from the wear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this up real well. I'm using Blue Monster Teflon tape that is chemically resistant. We're gonna wrap this guy up. We're gonna wrap at least 3 times around it. Once it starts seeping out, you are full. We're gonna put in the fill plug with the Teflon tape wrapped on it. Same process in the back. We're gonna take out our fill plug first. Then we're gonna remove our drain plug. Check for any large bits and pieces. Alright, so after cleaning up the plug, we don't have anything concerning on it. There's no large bits or pieces on there. That little goop with some specks in it, that's normal wear and tear. And then you actually might even get a little bit of the thread, the way that they thread this in, a little bit of the thread metal on there, which isn't a big deal. Like I said, as long as you don't have chunks of gear or whatnot stuck to it, you should be all good. So we're gonna go ahead and install Teflon tape on it and on the fill plug before we put that back in to fill. Alright, so we got them wrapped up with Teflon tape. Make sure that you install the one that has the magnet in it as your drain plug. Now we fill. Funny noises and all. In total, to service both front and rear, you need about 2.5 quarts. I actually buy 4 just in case things happen. I want to have one on hand. This one still has about a half a quart left in it, and we are all done. There you go, guys. For about 80 bucks, both of the axles serviced with one of the best oils that you could purchase. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification button to find out when I have new videos out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.